away, and the story untold. Your shadow, the anchor, your voice, the guide.